One of the barriers to the success of auto-enrollment has traditionally been the difficulty faced with each payroll system producing a data output file in their own specific format, and each pension provider requiring input files in their own specific format, and the two are rarely the same. This is an example of a PAPDIS file. PAPDIS stands for Pensions and Payroll Data Interface Standard and has been developed by the Pensions BIB, incorporating leaders in both the pensions and payroll industries, and the CIPP, to overcome the issues caused by different formats of upload and download files. In essence, PAPDIS will allow all parties to transfer data using a standard format. Your payroll software should have the PAPDIS file embedded within the system itself, and it will therefore be a simple matter to run and export the data file, whatever payroll software you're using. The PAPDIS file can be uploaded as a CSV file or can be submitted electronically through API integration, and we will be giving an overview of both processes using third-party payroll software. Our GenLife Pensions portal supports PAPDIS along with a number of other formats and has the ability to assess your workforce, calculate contributions and generate the correct communications, or can simply act as an upload direct into the GenLife pension scheme. Click on Upload your file and navigate to your saved CSV file, and then click again to upload. You can see your data has successfully been uploaded into the portal, and from here you can view and download both letters and the contribution files should you wish. So, PAPDIS and CSV solves a lot of the current problems experienced with the implementation of auto-enrollment. However, although very much easier and much more streamlined, this is still an extra step that has to be done at the end of each payroll period. For companies with multiple payrolls or payroll bureau processing hundreds of payroll each month or week, this form of data transfer can become onerous, as it still involves the upload and download of data files. GenLife has built a solution to this, PAPDIS as an XML API, which simply means submitting the data electronically direct from your payroll software into the pensions portal at the click of a button. We can see here the month 10 data that was previously uploaded via CSV file, and will now demonstrate the XML API functionality using Able Internet Payroll software. Simply click the button and the data is in the process of being submitted. Please note that this is a live, real-time recording and has not been cut and pasted, so that you can see the speed of the process. As with RTI, you can see the status of your submission and confirmation that the submission has been successful. If an error has occurred, simply correct your data, for example ensure you have an employee address, and resubmit. In this instance, we have logged into the pensions portal, but it is only in order to demonstrate the instant transfer of your data. So, in the pensions portal, we can simply click on the refresh button and can now see the month 11 file that has been submitted. QTAC Payroll have also adopted the XML API approach to submitting data to pension providers. There is no current pension information uploaded to their portal, but here we can see the employee payroll, complete with gross pay, deductions, which is pension, tax due and national insurance. Save the information, close the payroll, and you are ready to submit your auto-enrollment pension deduction. Simply go to the pensions area and choose Auto-enrollment Electronic Submission and GenLife. Choose which company's information you would like to submit, check your frequency and pay period, and click. A message is generated if your submission has been successful. As before, there is no need to log onto the portal for this process, as everything is done directly from the payroll, and we have only done so to demonstrate the instant transmission. And again, as before, this is a live, real-time recording which has not been cut or pasted. This innovation means you don't ever have to log into a portal at all to communicate with your pensions provider, and auto-enrollment becomes simply a minor part of your normal payroll duties rather than a completely separate and additional process. Therefore, providing information to GenLife is as easy as submitting RTI to HMRC, seamlessly, directly and securely from your own payroll software straight to your pensions provider at the click of a single button.